Come here, Ellie. Are you hiding behind the toys, Miss Ellie? Oh, you gonna growl at me, Miss Emma. Hi, Emma. Well, come here. Hi, baby. Emma's on the right, and Ellie's coming to check out the dollar bill. You can see how little they are. They both weigh just over 1 pound. Turn the dollar sideways so you know it's not a fake deal. You can tell just how big they are compared to a dollar. Come here, Emma. Show them how big you are. She's actually the smaller of the two. She started out to be the bigger one of them, and now Ellie caught up with her, and they're just about the same size. There's about maybe half an ounce difference in them. Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Where you going, Puddin'? Miss Ellie's gonna look just like her mama Penny. She's got a little bit more narrower, longer nose, real tiny, delicate features. And Miss Emma here on the right is gonna look just like Rascal. She's got the typical teddy bear face, and she wants to growl at me all the time. Yes, she does. That makes a noise in her throat. Not really a growl. Sounds more like a purr, but she's fussing when she does it. What are you doing down here, Miss Ellie? Are you coming to check me out? Or are you coming to see what I'm doing? Hey, sweetheart. Oh, I'm ignoring you. Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear her little growl at me? Am I ignoring you? She said, I want some attention. Here comes Sissy. Sissy coming back too. There's Ellie. Yeah, hi, Ellie. Oh, what's wrong, Emma? You want more attention. Doggone it. Hi, baby. Where you going? Here we go. Let me back up a little bit. You're coming off that blanket, aren't you? Yeah, that's no... What is it? I want some love. I want some attention, don't y'all? What's wrong, Emma? Hi, Emma. You want to look up at the camera for everybody? Yes. What are you doing, Miss Ellie? Hi, Ellie. You want to look at the camera? Yes. There you go. Say, no, I'd rather hide. I'd just rather not. I'd rather not. Oh, you're hiding over here beside me, aren't you? You hiding beside me, Mama? Where's Sissy? Okay, go back over here with Sissy so I can get you both together. Then, nope. They don't think so, huh? Don't think so, huh? There you go. There's my Ellie. There's my Emma. All right, tell everybody bye.